Alright, it's closer to about 8 o'clock. Teresa's getting kind of panicky. I've decided to pretty much make a decision right now if we need to go or not. And pretty much got all the lights on outside the house. You know, it's definitely lots of gusts. It's only 8 o'clock. We're nowhere near the winds that we're going to get. But, you know, all the trees are definitely giving us a little bit of seed of panic, I guess. And it's not really even doing anything yet, as you can see. See if I can turn on night shot if that helps at all. Oh wow, that does help. A little bit. Well, I'll keep this going tonight. We'll see how it all does. I don't know. I think we're gonna stay, but I don't think Teresa, she's kind of more of like it's a last ditch effort that isn't a good idea. And there's Teresa. Hello.